Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to make your text shake. So, initially, you want to have your clip in your timeline that you want to add your text to. We're going to go over to the effects control panel, click on titles, and then click on text, and then bring the text over on top of the clip. We're going to manage the length of it so it fits the clip. And now that we have it in our timeline, we're actually going to click on it and right click on it again, press on new compound clip. You can name it as you'd like, but I'm going to leave it open. Create. Now that we've created our compound clip, we can actually go to open effects and then go all the way down to find camera shake. Click and drag it over to your title, drop it there. And now we can actually see that we have a shake to our title. However, it's not good enough. We want it to be a little bit more professional. So we'll actually go to the top right corner of inspector. And now we'll go to effects. Make sure you're on open effects. And we actually want to play around with the motion scale, speed scale, and motion blur. So I actually want my motion scale to be a little bit higher, not all the way high. Speed scale, we're going to bring it all the way up. And then motion blur, let's bring it to the middle. And now let's play it. Much better. However, you can also even go further and play with the PTR speed. And now the actual shake is going to be much faster. Let's check it out. Nice. And guys, there's plenty of other settings that you can play around with to see what kind of shake you like. But that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.